And welcome to our Libris Alma 104 course on acquisitions. This course will address Alma's enhancements around acquisitions, focusing mainly on the acquisitions role, role-specific widgets, and an acquisition workflow. I will log into Alma again as Kathy Owen, a user with role privileges and access to acquisitions and cataloging functionality in Alma. Remember, my Alma dashboard and navigation will be tied to the username and role assigned to me in the system. As I log in, I immediately see the dashboard populating with widgets, delivering real-time stats and information about my library from Alma's business intelligence layer. Here I can see that I have chosen these specific widgets to help me in my daily workflows: my task widget, system job dashboard, top 10 vendors, notifications, the average vendor supply time, and top 10 unused packages. These are just a few of the widgets that currently come out of the box with Alma, and we are always adding more. I have chosen these widgets in particular because they provide acquisitions information that I find valuable while I complete my tasks. To add another widget to my dashboard to further inform my decision making, I simply click Add Widget. After viewing my at-a-glance acquisitions information from the widgets, I can do two things to resume my acquisitions workflow. I can either look to my persistent menu bar for the task dialog box, indicating that I have tasks to complete, potentially in acquisitions, or I can click the Alma button to navigate to the Alma Acquisitions area. Let's look at the task widget for the essential tasks that Alma is sending to me to review and complete. In our Alma 101 course, we reviewed Kathy's Order Lines Assigned to You for Review. We can click this link to return to our brief list and our Gale Cengage Expanded Academic ASAP Gale Group Ongoing e-Journal Package example. In this list, we can view why Alma is sending this for us to review. Mandatory is missing or erroneous, funds from different ledgers, price limit reached. Essentially, a librarian is required to complete these tasks. From the brief listing, we can edit, assign the task to another librarian with a similar role, release the assignment, start a trial, request an evaluation, order now, cancel, and defer. Let's click Edit to continue Kathy's workflow. She is going to edit this task now. We are taken to the PO line summary screen where Alma delivers us this message in the alert field. The renewal date is mandatory. Please enter the required data. We can now scroll down to see Alma organizing our data in the familiar file headers, summary, descriptions, alerts, invoice lines, but also associated PO lines, communications, notes, and attachments. We can scroll down in the Summary tab to review our PO information currently in place and to see the mandatory field we need to address before we send this back to Alma to be completed. My choices at the end are Save and Continue, Save, Cancel Line, Save and Request Evaluation, Save and Start Trial, Defer, Order Now, and Save as Template. I will click the Ex Libris logo to return to my familiar Alma dashboard, just to be consistent, and then click the Alma button to demonstrate that these tasks are delivered to the user, but can also be accessed from the main navigation menu. Under the Acquisitions header, I can see that I have a great deal of functionality at my fingertips, many logically organized workflows that I can easily start by clicking any one of these links, and we will be exploring these options further in classes. This concludes Alma 104 Acquisitions.